Greetings peeps, welcome to the Cooking Cop and Babe channel. Hey, you're not Josh and Babe! Hey, I'm your guest host, Mitch Hightower. You may know me from the KQ channel here on YouTube. And this week, Josh and Babe invited me to serve as their guest host while they're away taking care of some very important family business. We're calling it hashtag the Cooking Cop and Babe channel takeover. So today, I'm going to show you how to make a fabulous fall and winter holiday libation we call the Cinnamon Maple Whisky Sour cocktail. This cocktail is so delicious, and it's supremely easy to make. To make the Cinnamon Maple Whisky Sour cocktail, you'll need 3 ounces whiskey, 2 ounces lemon juice, 2 tablespoons maple syrup, 1/8 teaspoon ground cinnamon, and 1 cinnamon stick. These ingredients will be enough to create one very tasty cocktail. To begin, I'm going to fill a cocktail shaker half full with ice cubes. Today, I'm using an 18-ounce, 3-part cobbler-style cocktail shaker. Next, add the whiskey. Today, I'm using a Kentucky straight bourbon-style whiskey. You can use whatever kind of whiskey you prefer. Time for the lemon juice. Next, add the maple syrup. Be sure to use 100% pure maple syrup, not anything with artificial maple flavor or high fructose corn syrup. And finally, add the ground cinnamon. Next, place the strainer and the cap on the shaker very securely. I prefer to hold the shaker with both hands, and then give the mix a really good shake. Be sure to smile while you're shaking because cocktails are supposed to be fun. Shake the cocktail vigorously until the shaker becomes extremely cold. That will only take about 8 to 10 seconds. Now it's time to pour. I'm serving the Cinnamon Maple Whisky Sour cocktail in a rock-style glass filled with fresh ice cubes. Ooh, lovely golden color. To finish off the cocktail presentation, I'm adding a cinnamon stick as a garnish. And voila! The Cinnamon Maple Whisky Sour cocktail is ready to serve. Woohoo! Now for my favorite part of the video, it's time to taste test. Cheers, peeps! This is supremely yummy. The whiskey plays very nicely with the lemon and the maple, and there's just a hint of cinnamon. This is most definitely a lovely flavor profile for a fall and winter holiday cocktail. Let's see what my partner Chef Philip has to say about the Cinnamon Maple Whisky Sour cocktail.
Hello everyone! Ooh, look! A cinnamon maple whiskey sour cocktail. Let's give it a taste. That is delicious. I get the bourbon and the lemon and the sweetness of the maple, and that cinnamon just is really the topper. This is a perfect fall and winter holiday cocktail. I love it!
If you enjoyed this video, be sure to smash the like button. And if you're not already subscribed to the Cooking Cop and Babe channel, hit that red subscribe button and the bell symbol. And don't forget to write kind messages in the comment section so Josh and Babe will know how much we all adore them. I hope you've had as much fun watching as I've had guest hosting. And stay tuned. Next time, another popular YouTube personality will be guest hosting as part of hashtag the Cooking Cop and Babe channel takeover. Thank you so much for watching. And if you'd like to check out the channel where I usually work, there is a link in the description below. Thank you so much for having us, Josh and Babe. We hope to see you both right back here where you belong very soon. We love you, Josh and Babe!